Hello there, my beautiful Mextalkers, and welcome to a new video. And in this video we're going to check how to say in Spanish I'm good at, or I'm not good at, or even I'm bad at.
Okay.
Because we have 4 alternatives, and well, it's gonna be a very interesting lesson.
Of course.
So guys, enjoy this video.
Woo!
Okay guys, so this is a very common question that is asked to me frequently by my students. And that's, how can I say I'm good at something in Spanish? And well, I say, well, there are actually 4 ways to reply. We're going to give you 3, and at the end, I'm going to tell you the 4th one.
Okay.
And in this video, we're going to learn that, and also how to say I'm not good at, or even I'm bad at.
Okay.
So let's see the 3 common ways for saying this.
There are 3 common ways for saying I'm good at. So let's pick one sentence. I'm good at dancing salsa. Okay? So in Mexico it's pretty common to be good at dancing salsa.
Yeah, pretty common, yeah.
Well, but I'm
You're not?
no, what's going on?
You're not a Mexican.
Okay, so we have I'm good at dancing salsa. There are 3 ways for saying this in Spanish. For example, soy bueno bailando salsa. Soy bueno para bailar salsa. And bailo bien salsa. So let me explain to you the first one.
Let's break it down.
Let's break it down. And let's look closely at soy bueno bailando. Okay? So you need the verb ser conjugated plus bueno or buena, depending on the gender of what you're talking about. And then the verb in
Depending on who's talking, right?
Okay.
Like if you're a male or female, soy bueno. I wouldn't say soy buena, I'm not a woman. But I can say ella es buena.
Ella es buena.
Ella es buena
So
bailando, right?
On who
On
you're
the
talking
subject.
about, man.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. So let me go again. Okay.
Continue.
Okay, so the verb ser plus bueno or buena plus the verb in gerund. Okay, good. Okay, so for example, soy bueno cantando. Another example, Diego es bueno bailando reggaetón.
Yeah, perreando, we can say it.
Diego es bueno perreando. So perreando is
Is the way for saying bailar reggaeton. So that's the
bailar
same.
reggaetón in one verb. Okay.
Or even cocinando, right?
Él es bueno cocinando. Sus papás son buenos cocinando.
Yeah, as well, cocinando.
Carla es buena escribiendo libros.
Yeah, escribiendo. Now, mind you that the gerund is formed by adding ando or yendo to the verb. That's the gerund, okay?
Yeah.
Now let's look the second one, that was soy bueno para bailar.
Soy bueno para bailar. The verb ser conjugated plus bueno or buena plus para and the verb in its infinitive form. Another example. Soy bueno para cantar las rancheras.
Okay.
Soy bueno para cantar las rancheras.
Very good.
Daniela es buena para cocinar pozole.
Wow, nice. Okay, very good.
Ok, mis primos son buenos para comer enchiladas. Comen 5
Wow,
enchiladas
that's a lot.
en un momento.
And as Efrain said, so he's using here the plural, right? So that's why it is son plus bueno, but in plural, since it's primos, masculine plural, son buenos. In case it is feminine plural, it would be buenas, right? So remember, you have soy bueno or soy buena, son buenos, son buenas, and many variants, right? Like ella es buena.
Yeah.
So you need just to know that you need to conjugate the verb ser, include the adjective bueno, depending of if it is male, female, singular, plural, and also para plus the infinitive.
Okay, very good.
Super easy. Super
Very
easy.
easy.
And
Okay.
the last one.
No, it is not the last one.
Well, the number three. The number three.
three. Number three. Bailo bien, salsa. Bailo bien, salsa.
Yeah.
So the perfect simple present plus bien plus the complement.
Yeah. Bailo bien, something. Cocino bien. Cocino bien. Lasaña.
Cocinan bien.
Ujú.
¿Qué más?
Aprenden bien los
Aprenden
idiomas. They are
Okay.
good at learning languages.
Mhm.
Good.
That's it.
Mind you guys that this third way is only for actions. Okay? Such as cocino bien,
Mhm.
aprendo bien los idiomas. Okay? However, obviously you can be good at a noun, at something, not really an action, but at something.
Mhm.
For example, how can you say I'm good at maths? Well, in this case, you can use either or the first or the second way for saying that. So you can say soy bueno con las matemáticas or even soy bueno para las matemáticas. So you see, you're using soy bueno con las matemáticas or you can say para. Soy bueno para las matemáticas.
Soy bueno con el piano.
Soy bueno con el piano o soy
Soy
bueno
bueno.
para el piano.
Exacto.
That's correct. You can say either or. Good. Now let's see how to say this, but in a negative form. And for the negative form, that's super easy because you just need to change bueno for malo
Mala.
and bien for mal.
Okay.
So in the same example, I'm good at dancing. Let's change this to I'm bad at dancing. So you will say soy malo bailando
Okay. Soy malo.
or
Bailando.
soy malo para bailar.
Sí.
Or even, as I said, change bien for mal, and there you have bailo mal.
Bailo mal.
In the case of the maths, you can say soy malo con las matemáticas. Soy malo para las matemáticas.
Yo soy malo para la salsa.
O sea, soy malo para la salsa, like dancing salsa, right? That's correct. However, instead of saying this malo, we can also say, and this means the same, when you say that you are not good at. Instead of saying I'm bad at, you can say I'm not good at. And for this is super easy because you just need to include the word no at the beginning. That is, you can say no soy bueno bailando salsa.
Okay.
No soy bueno para bailar salsa.
No soy.
Or even no bailo bien salsa. Okay, guys, now let's see the fourth and last way and my personal favorite for saying I'm good at or I'm not good at.
And it is very common to hear that.
This is very common and that's my personal favorite, and that's se me da bien.
Yeah.
Se me da bien, but we need to break it down because although this is maybe the most common way for saying it, se me da bien, and there are some things that might change depending on what you are good at. So let's look closely at the form here. And the form is the following. Se plus me, and this me is going to change depending on who you're talking about. If you're talking about yourself, if you're talking about you, if you're talking about someone else, this is the indirect object pronoun. That is, it could be either me, te, le, nos, and les.
Okay.
Okay, so this could change. After you have the verb da. And da could be in two options, two ways. So it could be da or dan. And last but not the least, the word bien.
Okay.
That's how you form se me da bien. However, da is going to change depending on if it is singular or a verb or plural. Okay? So for example, se me da bien bailar salsa. Once again, se me da bien bailar salsa. You're using me because you're talking about yourself. I'm good at. Se me da, and you're using da because you're talking about a verb, bailar.
Yeah.
Se me da bien bailar salsa. Let's take a close look at I'm good at maths. So maths is las matemáticas.
Claro.
That's plural, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're talking about you once again. Se me dan
Mm-hmm.
bien las matemáticas.
Yeah.
Se me dan bien las matemáticas. Now, I want to ask Efrain if he's good at maths. So I'm talking about him. Or in this case, I'm going to talk directly to him. So I'm going to say, oye, ¿y se te dan bien las matemáticas?
Honestamente, Diego, no se me dan bien las matemáticas.
There you have the negation.
Mm-hmm.
You just need to put no at the beginning. No se me dan bien las matemáticas.
Claro.
Don't worry about the negation. Don't worry about saying I'm bad at. Because in Spanish it is not really common to say se me dan mal las matemáticas. No,
not really.
It's not, no, but rather you will negate
Mm-hmm.
the positive answer.
Yeah.
No se me dan bien las matemáticas.
Very good.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
A nosotros se nos da bien. What? Help me with this. A nosotros
se nos da bien hablar enfrente de la cámara.
Well, ahora sí, pero hace unos años you were sweating all the time.
Sí, man. Ya sé. A nosotros se nos da bien platicar con gente extraña.
Yeah.
Estamos sentados y todo el tiempo podemos hablar con alguien.
Yeah. A mí personalmente se me da bien hablar en público. ¿Y a ti se te da bien hablar en público?
Yo creo que sería un comediante. No sería alguien para dar un discurso, sino alguien,
¿Un comediante?
Alguien que cause risa, que haga reír.
Bueno, se le da bien hacer reír al público.
Se le da bien dar discursos. That's it for today, my beautiful family of Mextalki, my Mextalkers. So, what else? Yeah. What
That's
else?
it.
That's it. No, wait. Give us your thumbs up.
Destroy
right
that
or...
like button.
Okay,
Destroy that like
Destroy
button.
that like button. Well, man, when I said you are like, man, that's my friend.
I mean, you can say, and Diego, destroy that like button. You say like,
okay, that's better.
Okay.
We are going to say that in the next one. Write your comments down there. Subscribe to this channel. Click on the notifications. What else? So we love you. Gracias, Mextalkers.
What else? Oh, yes, we love you.
Yes.
Yes.
No, muchas gracias. Los queremos mucho y...
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.